to Walmart. So, wala naman tayo masyadong bibilhin. Mag-aano lang tayo. I don't think we're really gonna buy a lot of stuff. Wala. Kasi ano na pagkain na makara, bibili ako ng wax melts. May nakita ko na magbango yung amoy. And some probably coffee, no? Coffee and what else? We'll see what we have. Or we'll see what we can get there. Pero wala kami masyadong kailangan kasi may food naman kami sa bahay na. So, yeah, I'll probably catch up with you later. I am now at Walmart. And tayo ay mag-iikot-ikot. So, nakabili tayo ng ilang gamit dito na kailangan natin. But I'll just haul it later when I get home. Ang dami ng mga candy. So, ito guys, sobrang sarap nito. Meron na din sila nito. Cinnamon cream. Pumpkin spice. I'll think about it kung ito or yung isa. Look at this. Mukhang masarap. Oh. $5.94. Decided to get this na lang. Kasi masarap talaga to. I'm looking for candle melts or wax melts. Maraming iba-ibang brands. So. Actually guys, try ko muna yung brand ng Walmart kasi mas mura. Hazelnut cream. Ice caramel macchiato. Mas mura to kasi mas manipis. But I just wanna try it muna. Guys, I didn't know they have Goose Creek here. Goose Creek. I'm gonna get this. Kasi hindi sila nag-ship dito sa Alaska. I didn't know na meron palang ganito dito. Okay. Hello gorgeous! Kami ay nakauwi na. Hindi na po tayo nakapag-vlog kasi nag-chika-chik pa kami kay Mother. So, papakita ko yung mga pinamili ko. Namin ni Hubby. Marami kami napuntahan today. Pero hindi tayo nag-drive today. Pero papakita ko yung mga pinamili namin. Tsaka, super nakakahingala. Kasi nasa baba pa yung garage. So, we needed to go upstairs pa. But anyway, ang dami ng mga pang-fall na decoration. Especially mga food, pumpkin spice. I'm a fan of mga cinnamon, apple, maple, pumpkin spice. But let me show you what I got. Nagpunta kami ng Walmart. Nagpunta kami ng Goodwill, bumili kami ng food or bread sa Texas Roadhouse kasi super sarap ng dinner rolls nila. But anyway, start ko muna sa Safeway kasi I need to put these on the fridge or in the fridge. Masarap ang brand ng Lucerne. Para siyang like Kroger or Great Value, pero para mas social yung mga nasa Safeway or Cars. Para siyang Vons sa ibang state like sa California or San Diego or any other states na mayroong Vons. But yeah, pumpkin pecan. See? First time ko to try. Super excited. $3.75 lang to. And I'm so happy because my favorite eggnog is back. So, kay Sis Angel ko ito nakita una last year. Pero nakatikim na ako ng eggnog before. Pero, syempre iba yung eggnog talaga na pang holiday, di ba? But anyway, halagyan na to sa fridge. Super excited na ako. It feels like Christmas. Feels like fall. Well, fall na talaga. Pero, it feels like holidays na talaga. Then, I got Hubby the cheese snacks, pang snack niya. And then, etong turkey. This is turkey. No, it's fresh ground turkey. Para sa ating pasta or spaghetti. Lalagay ko muna sa fridge kasi baka makapag-pasta ako tomorrow. So, dahil fall na, autumn, at kapasin niyo sa mga previous vlogs ko, nag-vlog ako ng mga tungkol sa haul, mga decorations, yada yada yada. But anyway, I was looking for a tea and nakita ko may salted caramel pala. So I don't know if it's new or matagal na to or it's a limited edition. So not really sure about that. But anyway, ayan. And then I got the hazelnut medium dark coffee, 16 packets, good for 16 days. Hindi na ako bumili ng mga pang brewed coffee kasi hindi ko ginagamit na yung coffee pot namin. So, mas gusto ko yung mga instant. And then, bumili ako ng hazelnut na coffee creamers 24. Yung para sa mga hotel, para sakto-sakto lang yung measure. So, I already got a creamer na yung pumpkin pecan. Okay lang yan kasi lagay ko sa aming gagawa ko ng drink or coffee bar. Siguro kung saan ko rin nilagay yung mga wine. We'll see kasi nga medyo siksik na. Pero it's okay kasi nga marami talaga kaming gamit. And I just, it's okay to have a lot of things as long as you keep your things clean, keep your house clean and tidy. Kaya bago lumay gamit yung basta mahalaga malinis. Period. And then, napabili naman si Hubby ng Triscuit. Kasi yung Triscuit
na binili ko last week, hindi niya pala type yung flavor barbecue. So, akin yung barbecue, sa kanya na itong whole grain na original. And then, hindi na ako bumili ng ibang fall candy. Itong caramel na lang. Kasi ito yung favorite namin. Hindi naman namin ito yung ubus lagi. So, parang pa isa-isa lang minsan once every 2 days. Once lang. Kasi matamis talaga to. So, make sure you drink plenty of water after you eat or choose some caramel candies. Got some lemons and sayote. Bread. Rin ako ng cookie sheet non-stick. So, pwede ko rin naman ilagay dito yung mga dish plates, oven dish plates, para lang meron akong tray sa loob. Pero, ayan, $3 lang to. Tapos, guys, ito sa Goodwill ko to nabili, $2.99. So, lagayan siya ng candy or something. So, I'll clean this. Make sure to clean this, sanitize, and then I'll display it. Papakita ko na lang siguro sa inyo sa susunod na video ko kasi who knows, baka mag-update pa kami ng, I don't know if we're going to update some decors here, pero I don't think so. I don't wanna add anything more. But yeah, ang cute lang talaga nito kasi mahilig ko kasi mga ceramic. Siyempre, pagkain ng makaran, hindi pwedeng kalimutan ng Friskies! Bumili kami ng wet wipes pang work tsaka sa bahay. So this one is cucumber. I like this brand kasi affordable and this infused with vitamin E and then feminine wash. Socks for hubby. Accent warmer. So, para siyang, ginagamit siya ng wax melts. So, para siyang yung plug-in ng Bath & Body Works, pero lalagay mo parang candle sa top, mag-melt na lang siya. Actually, mayroon na kaming wax melter dito, yung Pioneer Woman. Binili ko pa siya 2 years ago, I think. Eh, hindi pala ginagamit ng mga Mirna. So, sabi niya, iuwi ko na. Kaya display ko na. Pinakita ko na sa previous vlog ko rin. But anyway, dumo tayo sa mainstays or brand ng Walmart. This is affordable, 1.27 cents. But I don't know if it's gonna last long. Like, yung gusto ko muna i-try lahat ng scents nila before I try something else. Merong Goose Creek doon na gusto ko mabili online, pero hindi sila nag-ship sa Alaska. Pero I had to smell, inopen ko ng konti. So sabi ko, you know what, I'm just gonna try Mainstays. But yeah, hopefully, makagawa ako siguro ng review or mag-separate vlog ako para mapakita ko yung mga binili ko na mga scents. So, ayan lang, gorgeous. Yun yung mga pinamili namin. And then, syempre, Texas Roadhouse dinner rolls. But, yun lang, very short lang tong vlog na to. Hindi na ako masyado nag-vlog kasi nga, just enjoy the day. I'm just here to show you what we got. And, total na spend ko today, including everything. Kasi hindi naman mura yung socks. Hindi rin naman kamurahan yung, ano ba tawag dito? Well, mura naman yung eggnog and stuff. Pero, I think I spent around $100 or less than $100, including sa Goodwill. And I'm happy. I'm really happy. So, yeah, I'm excited to try these. And I'll probably try to do a separate vlog dito sa mga scents na ito. So, yeah. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye!